विनीत कह रहे थे हीरो तो मैं हूँगा। मेरा सवाल यह कि आप सपोर्ट कास्ट में हैं तो आप क्या चाहेंगे उस मूवी के अंदर, किस तरह की प्रोडक्शन वैल्यूज चाहेंगे? विनीत पीछे बैठे, बता दीजिए।
विनीत जी ने बताया था, जिक्र किया था मूवी के बारे में कमेंटेटर्स के लिए. We see the another personality from the film industry. Coming back to that movie topic, yes, of course, Vineet has the if he has to direct, if he has to produce, then we all need to fall back with Vineet, what role he can give it to us.
That's a good line to bowl as far as Prince is concerned. He's a handy bowler to bowl in the death overs. Now this is where probably fatigue will set in as well. Rajiv feeling the after effects of having been there for a while. Salim needs to shoulder more responsibility here.
I think looking at Salim, if he wants to try and get runs, first priority, he should get a helmet on his head. Absolutely, nothing against it. You've got to protect your main computer, which is going to be important for the remaining life, as the inside edge, or it can go anywhere. So it's always better to have when you have the protection, when you have the gears, why don't you use it?
बेंच पर से देखिए थोड़ी प्रोत्साहन दिए जाता हुआ, और इंतजार है कुछ बैटर्स को कि उनको मौका मिले अंदर जाके कुछ रन्स बनाए केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए, क्योंकि रन्स कम है अभी स्कोरबोर्ड पे 60। अगर इसी तरह से स्कोर किया तो शायद 85 के ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे।
Very true, and Prince is very effective on this track. That's another dot ball. अगर आप देखा जाए तो रमन, यहाँ पे प्रिंस ने अपनी पेस को काफी वेरी किया हुआ है. He has bowled a slow balls, he has bowled a sharp ones, back of a length. He's been very successful in utilizing his skill.
6 गेंदें 1 रन सलीम के नाम, और इस ओवर में तो केवल 1 रन आया 22 के चलते 4 गेंदों में. प्रेशर on the batsman, he's looking for a release shot, doesn't get it. It's in the vacant region. Oh, he wasn't looking for a single as well. Chance of a run out. Prince dislodged the bails before he had the ball in his hand.
That's the fumble which Prince missed it. He should have been behind the stumps, whereas he was in front of the stumps. Absolutely, Salim did not see the ball where it went, and his partner has already reached the crease.
I tell you what, that throw was probably going to be bang on the stumps, and I think he's dislodged the bails before the ball actually made contact.
Rajiv needs to strike. Kerala strikers has to get some respectable total to put a fight for their bowlers.
Really wonder. They're very happy, of course, hoping that the team gets a few runs. The Kerala strikers' lucky charm, so to speak, on the bench. Oh, he could have left that alone. He could have left that alone and would have gotten a wide and an extra delivery, but he's going to retain strike. 8 overs gone, 62 for 2.
Kerala strikers scored 62 with loss of 2 wickets.
और इसीलिए आप ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेशंस केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के बेंच पर देख नहीं सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्माइल है पर बड़े रन बने नहीं है. संजू सलीम स्ट्राइक पे, और शायद ये तेलुगु वॉरियर्स चाहती भी है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्ट्राइक इन्हें मिले, क्योंकि 7 बॉल्स फेस करी हैं, बनाए केवल 2 रन.
इनका स्ट्रैटेजी भी यही होगा तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के, कि सलीम को स्ट्राइक पे रखे. 7 गेंदों में 2 रन बनाए ने सलीम जी.
सुन लिया आपको ये कहते हुए, ये लीजिए हिसाब बराबर.
ये हमेशा कमेंटेटर्स का तरस होता है, जिसने सलीम ने बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ द बाउंड्री. एंड वी सी दी हैप्पी फेसेस फ्रॉम द केरला स्ट्राइकर्स डगआउट.
स्लॉट में डाली बॉल. बाउंड्री राइडर हो भी तो क्या करेगा, केवल देखेगा बॉल को. करारा शॉट. सलीम इसके साथ पहुंच गए अब 8 पे, और अब हिसाब बराबर. स्ट्राइक रेट 100 का.
Sab barabar, then it's important at this stage. We need couple more sixes of them. If Kerala Strikers has to put up a good fighting score.
सुनील दिलचस्प है कि बाउंड्रीज केवल 2, छक्के लगाए हैं 4, तो मैक्सिमम में ज्यादा डील करती हुई इस समय केरला स्ट्राइकर्स. कितना फटीग है राजीव को, ये इन बची हुई 9 गेंदों में डिसाइड करेगा कितने रन बनते हैं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के. जब इनिंग्स की शुरुआत की थी इस तरह के शॉट लगा रहे थे तो बाउंड्री के पार जा रहे थे. अब मुझे लगता है थोड़ी फटीग फील कर रहे हैं.
It's absolutely Rajiv. That's the one which we saw, a couple of boundaries for Rajiv, and that's the one which went out of the boundary line. That's another one there. This one went very sharp. And here we go. That's another boundary. Rajiv, that's the one. He's looking for a big one. Looking for the second. Yes, no. And only one run, you know. It's very important for Rajiv to get more boundaries or sixes. If not boundaries, nevertheless, we can get sixes.
मुझे तो ये लग रहा है कि सलीम को भी अब कहना पड़ेगा बहुत हुआ. 9 रन 9 बॉल्स में अब इस स्ट्राइक रेट को करिए डबल. इस ओवर के अंदर 11 रन आए तो थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम जरूर, पर क्योंकि केवल 7 बॉल बची है इनिंग्स में, अब तो मैक्सिमम्स की दरकार है.
Bilkul, it would be nice to for Kerala Strikers to finish with a boundary or a 6 in this last one ball.
सुन लिया, लेकिन बाउंड्री राइडर है. वेल टेकन, ब्यूटीफुल कैच बाय द कैप्टन अखिल. यू आर अ सुपरमैन ऑन स्ट्राइक.
That's the contest between bat and ball. New bat, new ball. New batsman, new bowler. The result, dot ball.
And this is where Shafiq needs to be a little smarter. Ashwin Babu is going to try and bowl around that region outside off. But I think he's got to try and take a single, get Rajiv on strike. Oh, he's got other plans.
Finally, he did listen to you and gave strike to Rajiv.
Sunil, the way he was coming down the track, he definitely had other intentions. Had to check his shot, but now Rajiv, he's got to pull something out of the reserve battery now. He's struggling in terms of fatigue.
What I guess was Rajiv will step out and look to hit straight. That's my guess. Most of the time my guesses are wrong.
We're just about to find out. Last 4 deliveries left. Oh, he's gone for it. Has he got it enough? Yes, he's got enough on it. In the gap as well. That's 4.
Finally the collapse are there. Kerala dugout. That's because of the boundary from Rajiv.
Look at that. It's never easy to hit a shot like that because you're coming down the track. The body weight is coming forward. Yet to be able to hit it in front of square. I think what he was helped by was the fact that he had width to free his arms. That's beauty on duty.
Absolutely. We need more of these. Lambi hits from Rajiv. I'm sure he'll get another boundary there. Yes. Rajiv on a song. The 2 balls to go. Can he get 2 boundaries or 2 sixes?
Well, if he is on song, it's a song that the Telugu Warriors don't like because it's definitely ruining their tune. Fine leg fielder was up. He knew exactly what he was doing. Really, an ordinary ball because you're spraying it on the pads. You've got fine leg up, no protection at deep square. You're asking for trouble.
Raman, this is a good score, I'm saying. 82 can be here, 90 or 92 from here.
Oh, that's hit towards the heavens, but it's not got distance on it. It's going to be taken. Rajiv, who was just 1 shot away from a half century, falls for 46. And Telugu Warriors get their man.
Again, Sachin Joshi, you can't avoid him. He is again in the center stage with that catch. There's a handshake from his teammates.
Look at the change in the grip on the ball. It was a slower delivery. He held it seam up, but as he came into ball, changed the grip on the ball. Did the bowler Ashwin Babu.
Finish the innings. That's a good one. Can he get a boundary there?
Oh, they want another run here. It's got to be a run out. Doesn't matter. They were looking for an extra run there. Managed to get 2 in the end. Well, I said it before. It seemed as if 85 or thereabouts is what they'll get. They've managed 84, which means a target of 85 now.